Hi everybody. So this is how you make a bagel bird feeder. Um, you may already realize that some of the local wildlife has difficulty staying fed during the winter months, because there might not be enough um, local berries or grains for them to feed on. So this is a way to help keep the little animals fed. Okay, these are the items you need. Again, please ask your parents if you can use their food to feed the animals. All right, you're gonna need a sheet of paper, a newspaper, or a large piece of paper or plastic. You're gonna need a bagel, or I've seen people do this with an open pine cone, or even with a Christmas wreath. After Christmas is over, you can turn the whole wreath into a feeder. You're going to need some peanut butter or other nut butters. Please do not use things like fat or grease. Those are not bird friendly ingredients, okay? You're going to use seeds. I'm using sesame and sunflower seeds, or you can use bird mix. You need some string and a butter knife. I chose to use twine because it's biodegradable, okay? All right, so first tie the string through the bagel and make a nice knot at the end. Okay, you want to have plenty of space between the bagel and the knot because you're going to hang it on a tree or a bush. Then spread plenty of peanut butter on it because that's going to act like the glue, so you need the peanut butter to be relatively thick. Then sprinkle your seed mix on it. Again, it can be bird feed seed. Just make sure it's fresh. You don't want to give the birds rotten bird feed. You could use poppy seeds, pumpkin seeds, might be a little bit big. Sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, all kinds. Even maybe pine nuts. Okay. And then when you're done pressing the seeds into the peanut butter, hang it on a bush, hang it on a tree. You could even hang it on an existing bird feeder.